In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll to stick header in Squarespace. A scroll to stick, or sticky. Header keeps your navigation visible at the top of the page while visitors scroll. It improves usability, makes menus and call to action buttons easy to reach, and gives your site a polished, modern feel. We'll turn this on using built-in Squarespace settings, and I'll explain what to look for along the way. First, open your site in the Squarespace editor and navigate to any page where you can see your header. Move your mouse over the header area until you see the option to edit it, then click Edit Site Header. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in editing mode and hovering directly over the top section that contains your logo and navigation. Inside the header editor, open the design controls by selecting Edit Design. This is where Squarespace groups layout, style, and behavior options for your header, including how it behaves when someone scrolls down the page. Find the setting that controls the header's position and choose Fixed Position. Fixed means the header will remain anchored to the top of the screen as visitors scroll through your content. This is exactly what creates the scroll to stick effect. As a quick tip, keep your header height reasonable. A very tall fixed header can cover too much of your content on smaller screens. If your site has different header styles for desktop and mobile, glance at both previews to make sure the fixed position looks good in each. When you're happy with the setting, click Save. Saving applies the change across your site, so you don't have to repeat the setting on every page. Give it a second to process if your site is large or has multiple styles in use. Next, click Exit to leave the header editing view and return to the page. Exiting closes the customization panel so you can interact with the page like a visitor would. Now, test the result by scrolling. Start at the top, slowly move down the page, and watch the header. It should remain pinned to the top edge of the browser the entire time. Try a longer page with plenty of content to confirm the behavior, and if possible, preview on both desktop and mobile views. If you notice the header overlapping content, consider reducing header padding or logo size later, but the fixed position setting is now active and working. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a clean, user-friendly scroll-to-stick header in Squarespace. Save your changes, review the flow on a couple of pages, and you're good to go.